The stars dance in anticipation. The trembling clouds, they know it's time. Musicians are tuning their instruments, and the singers are humming. Here comes the bride, triumphantly. The church will rise, victorious, meeting in the skies. See, the Father is ready to welcome his bride. Triumphantly, the church will rise. From every nation they'll come, so tired from the race they have run, bruised and battered, weary and worn. Oh, but we shall be like him on that resurrection morn. Triumphantly, the church will rise, victorious, meeting in the skies. See, the Father is ready to welcome his bride. Triumphantly, the church will rise. All nations will bow down, proclaiming him King. We'll lay our trophies and crowns at his feet.